Hey, I got my GoPro, man.
For what?
For my guy Ryan.
What's that for?
It's like a travel vlog thing I'm doing.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir. About to get some food with my guy over here in Scottsdale. You already know. It's a vibe, man. This place is cool. Hey, this was my hotel room. It's pretty solid. You know, got the coffee machine here. They hooked it up with the waters. Full-size mirror. You know, you see the fit. You see the fit. You know, they hooked it up with the nice TV here. Chair, desk, another one. 2 beds. Slept great last night. Very comfy. Hey, this hotel is nice, man. Got the little balcony here. You know, nothing crazy, but pretty decent views right here. Look, who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Go! Laura! Laura! Hi, Cleo. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Go! Laura, go! Go! Oh. All right, go. Oh. Man, it's nice out here. Super nice. Wow. Chandler, Arizona. Amazing. Who's a good boy? Laura. Oh. Oh. What's up, Charlie? What's up? Oh, Laura's. Who's a good girl? Look. Who's gonna get it? Sit. Sit. Go. Laura.
Huh? You excited?
Look.
All right.
Look. Laura, come here.
Hey, buddy. Come on.
Cleo.
That's what I don't